Session resumed. Majority Leader. Mr. Speaker, I move to take up additional reference of business.
The Secretary General is directed to read the additional reference of business.
Additional reference of business, verified complaints for impeachment. Impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, filed by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House of Representatives on February 5, 2025. Impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, filed by Teresita Quintos Teles, Father Fabiano, SPD Garellano et al., and endorsed by Representative Percival Beats Dendanya of the Abayan Party List on December 2, 2024. Impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, filed by Teodoro Casino, Lisa Masa, Nery Bulamares, and al., and endorsed by Representatives Franz de Castro of the Teacher Party List, Representative Arlene D. Rosas of the Gabriela Party List, and Representative Raul Daniel A. Manuel of the Kabataan Party List on December 4, 2024. Impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, filed by Reverend Father Antonio Labiao Jr., Reverend Father Rico P. Ponce, Reverend Father Dionisio V. Ramos et al., and endorsed by Representative Gabriel H. Cordado Jr. of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, and Representative Lex Anthony Chris A. Corlada of the AMBIS OWA Party List on December 19, 2024.
Majority Leader. Mr. Speaker, today as provided for in our additional reference of business,